Upper stretches the unpolluted part of the river. It's flowing past the effluent of the salmon farm hatchery at Cairn now at Cook. Could be the effluent pipe from Bakkafrost, it could be both of them, but it's certainly closest to Cook, through those trees. We've been upstream of the pipe and there's no pellets, no feed pollution. We've been downstream, and for maybe 50 or 100 yards you can see the pellets. You can also see what seems to be floating bacteria, viruses in the water. That's the crap, the feces from Scottish farm salmon, cramming millions of fish in a hatchery, in a torture chamber for farm salmon. But this is a story about environmental pollution, impacts on the freshwater and marine environment, because these fish are feeding on these pollution. They may be picking up parasites and pathogens and viruses en route. We've heard about the spread of sea lice from farm salmon to wild salmon and sea trout. We don't hear much about any potential pathogen, virus transfer, bacteria transfer from the effluents of processing plants and harvesting stations and hatcheries like this to the freshwater marine environment, to wild fish. Impacts on the river bottom. We know the hatchery at Kinloch Moydart failed a SEPA assessment, impacts on the freshwater pearl mussel, so I'm not sure if this system here in Loch Fyne has any freshwater pearl mussels, but it's certainly polluting the local environment, and we're going to be filing a complaint to the Scottish Environment Protection Agency. This is Don Stanford, Sunday the 6th of August, with the Real Salmon Farming Resistance.